The future of EVs is all about better batteries and more choices. Solid-state batteries promise longer range, faster charging, and greater safety. Soon, 500-plus-mile EVs and 10-minute charging could be the norm. Every type of vehicle, pickups, sports cars, vans, semis, will have an electric option. Charging stations will pop up everywhere. Highways, workplaces, apartments. Governments are pushing for all-electric new car sales, speeding up the transition. Vehicle-to-grid tech will let your car power your home or help stabilize the grid. EVs will be more than transportation. They'll be part of our energy ecosystem. The pace of change is breathtaking. The electric future isn't just coming, it's accelerating. Get ready for a whole new world on wheels. Not long ago, EVs were rare and quirky. Now, they're everywhere. Early models were limited, but companies like Nissan and Tesla changed the game. Tesla's Model S proved EVs could be fast, luxurious, and practical. Today, nearly every dealership has an electric option. Sales are booming. EVs are moving from niche to mainstream. As more people drive them, curiosity and adoption snowball. The EV family is diverse: affordable compacts, stylish SUVs, rugged pickups, and even supercars. There's an electric vehicle for every lifestyle and budget. The more EVs on the road, the more normal they become. The market is exploding with choices. Electric cars are no longer an experiment, they're the new standard. The family keeps growing, and there's a seat for everyone. The future is electric, and it's for everyone. As a lifelong car lover, I can say with confidence, there's no denying it anymore. The future of driving is electric. The world of cars is changing faster than ever before, and it's an exciting time to be along for the ride. The benefits, cleaner air, lower costs, and thrilling performance are simply too good to ignore. Electric vehicles are not just better for the environment, they're also easier on your wallet and a joy to drive. This is the biggest shift in transportation since the Model T first rolled onto the roads. Just as that car changed the world, electric vehicles are redefining what it means to drive. It's not just about swapping engines for batteries, it's about progress, innovation, and reimagining how we move from place to place. Engineers and designers are pushing boundaries every day. Classic cars will always have a place in our hearts and at car shows, but for daily driving, EVs are the clear winner. They're practical, efficient, and fit seamlessly into modern life. Charging and battery challenges are being solved at record speed. New charging stations are popping up everywhere, and batteries are lasting longer than ever before. If you haven't tried an EV yet, take one for a spin. You'll be amazed by how smooth, quiet, and responsive it feels. It's a whole new driving experience. The instant torque, the quiet ride, and the simplicity of electric cars offer a glimpse of what's ahead. It's not just about transportation, it's about enjoying the journey. The electric car isn't just coming, it's already here, quietly transforming our cities and neighborhoods, one driveway at a time. The road ahead is bright, clean, and full of excitement. Every mile driven in an EV is a step toward a better future. We're living through a revolution on wheels, a transformation that's reshaping how we live, work, and connect with each other. The electric future is inevitable, and it's a great thing for all of us. Cleaner cities, quieter streets, and a healthier planet are within reach. Buckle up. The ride is just getting started, and the best is yet to come. The electric revolution is transforming more than just cars. Millions of EVs mean new demands and opportunities for our power grid. Vehicle-to-grid tech could let cars store energy and feed it back when needed, turning cars into part of the energy solution. The job market is shifting, too. Fewer traditional mechanics, more techs skilled in electronics and batteries. New industries are emerging: battery manufacturing, charging infrastructure, and recycling. The simple, flexible EV platform gives designers freedom, more space, new layouts, and creative storage. As self-driving tech grows, cars will become mobile living spaces, offices, lounges, entertainment centers. The EV isn't just a new car, it's a new way to think about mobility. The ripple effects are just beginning, and the future, it's electric. We're at a crossroads in automotive history. The choices we make today will shape how we move, work, and live for generations to come. As cities grow and technology evolves, the way we think about transportation is changing faster than ever before. The electric car is no longer a quirky experiment. It's a superior alternative in many ways. With thrilling acceleration, smooth handling, and a quiet ride, electric vehicles are redefining what it means to drive. They're also easier to maintain, with fewer moving parts and lower long-term costs. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Zero tailpipe emissions mean cleaner air for our cities and healthier communities. Every mile driven in an electric car is a step toward a more sustainable planet. Advances in battery and motor technology, plus strong support from governments and industry leaders, are accelerating the shift to electric. Research labs and factories around the world are working tirelessly to make electric vehicles more efficient, affordable, and accessible. Of course, challenges remain. Expanding charging infrastructure and developing even better batteries are top priorities. But progress is rapid, and every year brings new breakthroughs that make electric cars more practical for everyone. This isn't about forgetting our past, it's about building a smarter, cleaner future. The transition from gasoline to electric is a natural evolution, honoring the legacy of the automobile while embracing innovation. The electric car takes everything we love about driving, freedom, adventure, connection, and reimagines it for a new generation. It's about enjoying the journey, knowing you're making a positive impact. The road ahead is clear. Electric cars are the future of transportation. Imagine highways filled with vehicles that are quiet, efficient, and powered by clean energy. More models, longer ranges, and faster charging are arriving every year. Automakers are investing heavily, bringing exciting new options to drivers everywhere. And as technology improves, lower prices are coming, making electric cars accessible to more people than ever before. The gentle hum of the electric motor is the sound of progress, a symbol of how far we've come and where we're headed. We're living through one of the most exciting changes in automotive history. The shift to electric is transforming not just cars, but our entire relationship with mobility. The ride ahead is going to be fantastic, full of new experiences, new possibilities, and a renewed sense of optimism. And it's only just begun. The electric revolution is here, and the future has never looked brighter.